Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best LED lights for video recording currently available on the market. If you're a content creator, blogger, or someone who loves producing high-quality videos, you'll want to pay attention to this review of the NiceVeedi Studio Light. The NiceVeedi Studio Light is designed to enhance your video recording experience with its versatile features and ease of use. It offers adjustable color temperatures ranging from 280K to 650K, allowing you to create the perfect lighting atmosphere for any setting. With 352 LED beads and a high CRI of 97+, this light ensures precise color rendering and eliminates unwanted shadows, making your videos look professional and vibrant. Whether you're shooting YouTube videos, game streaming, or doing live streams, this light is your perfect companion. It's also great for photography sessions, portrait shots, and vlogging, providing consistent lighting for professional results. The NiceVeedi Studio Light can be powered via USB, making it compatible with power banks, laptops, or standard USB wall chargers. It includes USB-C adapters for added convenience, eliminating the need for separate batteries or chargers. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable yet powerful LED light for your video recording and photography needs, the NiceVeedi Studio Light is an excellent choice. Its versatility, ease of use, and professional-grade lighting capabilities make it a standout product in its category. That wraps up our review of the NiceVeedi Studio Light. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.